Hi, welcome to the Phys at Home. We are going to do an activity called Move Up Soccer. This will work on your dribbling and passing accuracy in the sport of soccer. Now, the equipment you need, you're going to need a sock ball. This is just a pair of socks I rolled up into a ball. And since I don't have cones, I used 2 cups, 1, 2, as my starting line, and they are 4 feet away. And then the cup that's on the right side, if you stand in front of it, I have 4 items I found around the house. The first item is 4 feet away. It's the TV remote. Then 6 feet away, I have a sock ball. 8 feet away, I have another TV remote. And then 10 feet away, I have another sock ball. And then over here, I have an empty water bottle as my target, and I'm going to place it by the TV remote so that it's the first target, closest to the starting line. Now, here's how you play. You take your sock ball and you place it by the starting line, and now you have to pass it accurately into the water bottle. So again, step with your non-kicking foot next to the ball, and turn so that you can hit it with the inside of your foot, and then follow through. Okay? Excellent. If you knock it down, you pick up the water bottle, you place it down next to the next target, and you dribble back. Okay? Then you step and you go again. Awesome. If you knock it down, you pick it up, now it's at the next target, and you dribble back. Okay? Aim again. Woo! I'm on fire. I pick it up, I take it to the last target, and I dribble back. And then I have to try to aim for the furthest target. I missed it. If I miss it, I must dribble it all the way back. Okay? But let's say I knock it over. Okay? I knock it over with the ball. I have to pick up the water bottle, and I have to dribble the sock ball back to the starting line, and then my challenge is over. And I only have 1 minute. Let's see how Coach Gelardi does.
The game begins in 3, 2, 1.
Ooh. Come on. Yes. Here we go, here we go. All right, just made it in the nick of time. That is called Move Up Soccer. Oh, I'm out of breath. That was fun. Okay, to make it a little more challenging, you could always add more items or make the targets further away. And if you want to make it a little less challenging, you can always take some items away or bring it closer to the starting line. Okay? But try to get your best personal time and have a lot of fun with this. Thank you for visiting the zone, the Phys at Home.